let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us and we can stay up all night. Kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do. Staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you.
I wish these were real, but I really just got these because I work so much on my computer, and these are blue light reflecting, I don't know, they're supposed to help your eyes. So I'm gonna do some work, I'm gonna do some editing, I'm editing podcasts, and then I'm gonna eat something, and then maybe I'll nap outside. Who knows? Who knows what the day holds, you know what I mean? Okay, so I just woke up from the biggest nap. It's 6 o'clock. I have to pack because we leave tomorrow to Kelowna for the weekend. I haven't done anything. I also have to do a few things for YDY. So much chomping. Yeah, I really legit have to pack. So I should probably get on that because I have to go to bed in like an hour. It's no big deal. It's totally fine. We'll be okay. Right? Oh yeah. Okay, babes, so we just picked up our rental car and I'm gonna finish packing. I'm gonna pull an angel card for YDY and then we're gonna get ready. Yeah, we're gonna get ready and we're gonna head out in like 2 hours, I think. Matt's just grabbing coffee for me, so yay. Okay, so we're just waiting for Matt. He had to work for a little bit. Charlie is really nervous. I feel bad for him, so yeah, and we're just gonna chill and wait for him. We've got like an hour, unfortunately, but we might go get some pizza and then we're gonna hit the road. So yeah. Okay, so we couldn't leave last night because it was snowing on the highway, but we're on the road now and we've got coffees and Charlie is sleeping. We're all good to go. Right, babe? Without you by my side, let me feel your love again. Just the two of us and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights. Well, Kelowna was really amazing. Had such a beautiful time with my family and Matt's family, and it's been kind of a whirlwind. A lot's going on, a lot of exciting things, and tonight I'm just getting ready for our first full moon ceremony. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be very intimate tonight, but I'm starting to set up the little altar. I'm so excited.